have been already picked. So now all you've got are the
go way up there.
ones that are way up top.
The good ones there. And they probably get good sunshine.
Oh no, they
Yeah,
get
I
wicked
think the
sunshine.
better ones are all the way at the
All
top.
right, look at that bunch up there, guys. Look at that.
Ooh. Jen Tosh is getting all the big ups from happy birthdays. Nikki Music's .2 is saying hello to everybody. Hello, Nikki Music.
I know. Look at these guys. Look.
Wow. They're not the prettiest.
Look at that. Look how ripe that is. Look at that.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Look at the color.
That,
look at the vibrant color on that.
Woo,
hey, you can't beat that.
Look at that. Look at that.
You're looking at nothing but sunshine.
Green content,
That's
bro.
healthy
Could
Caribbean
you
sunshine
imagine
there.
going in your backyard and picking that mango? Wow. Look
and
at
he's
that.
gone back up.
Look at that, watch Queen. Look at mango.
Oh,